Good morning students. Let me start today class. Today we are going to see exercise 2.9 first question fourth point. Find the sum of the following series 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus up to etc plus 225. Okay, it is called special series. Yes. So see, yesterday only we have discussed about the special series and what are the formulas. There are 5 formulas is there in the special series. So here you see that which formula is apt for that. Okay, first start with 1, next want to start with 2. Yes, 1 plus 2 plus 3 only we know the formula, or else 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, square of n natural numbers, so that we know the formula. So look at the question. In this question it is given that series is, okay, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus up to etc plus 225. It is called, what is the 1 we can change into 1 square, 4 we can change into 2 square. All the numbers are given, it is a square numbers. Okay, so 9 we can change into 3 square, 16 we can change into 4 square up to etc plus 15 square. Okay, it is called square number, so you can change into square. Now we know that formula is, so we know that the square, okay, squares of n natural numbers plus up to n squared means, okay, what is the formula? N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Yes, so n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. So here you see, look at that, n is, what is that? 15. So that you substitute 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to etc plus 15 square is equal to, n is 15. So 15 of 15 plus 1 bracket of 2 times of 15 plus 1. Okay, close the bracket, whole divided by 6. Next step, you simplify 15 into 16 into 15 plus 1 16 into, here first you should multiply 15 13s are 30, 30 plus 1 31 whole divided by 6. Okay, now can cancel this. Okay, you want to cancel this, which table is possible? 3 table is possible, so you can cancel. 5 3s are 15. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6. Again 2 table cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Next 5 into 8 into 31, 5 8s are 40. Yes, so 40 into 31 you should multiply, means 4 12 0, 1240 you will receive. Okay, so given series you should add, means we receive the answer is 1240. That's all. See next fifth point. The series is given 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square plus up to etc 21 square. This is natural numbers only. Yes, so squares of natural numbers, but the natural numbers start at 1. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square up to 5 square terms is missing. Yes, so what want to do means, in this series first whether can apply the formula, you can change the series first. So in this series given that, how want to change means, see 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square up to etc plus 21 square, we can change in the form of, first we can write in whole, start with the 1 square, so 1 square plus 2 square up to etc plus last number is 21. So up to 21 square you should write. Then you should subtract with how many terms are missing? 1 square plus 2 square plus up to etc 5 square. Okay, we are adding and the terms we are subtracting. So you should start with the 1 to 21 square, then you should subtract with the missing term. So 1 plus 5 square, 1 square to 5 square you should subtract. Okay, now so we know the formula n square. Okay, what is the formula? 1 square plus 2 square plus up to etc plus n square means n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. So here 2n is there, here n is 21 and n is 5. Okay, now you substitute the formula. Substitute means first 21 plus 1 of 2 times of 21 plus 1 whole divided by 6 minus 5 of 5 plus 1, 2 of 5 plus 1 whole divided by 6. Now see, first add 21. So first you want to multiply this 21 into this, first you should add 21 plus 1 22 into here. First you should multiply with 2 into 21. After that add with 1. Should not add and should not multiply with 2 means wrong. First you want to multiply 2 21s are multiply. After that you want to add with 1 means 2 21s are 42. 42 plus 1 43. 43 whole divided by 6. Okay. 43 whole divided by 6 minus 5 into 6 into 2 5 are 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 6. Here 6 cancel. Here which table is possible can get cancel. So first 3 table cancel means 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22. So remaining 7 into 11 77 into 43. Okay, into 43 minus 5 into 11. Okay, 5 into 11 55. 5 into 11 55. Okay, because 6 is cancelled, so 55. Now this you should multiply means we will receive 3311 minus 55. So 3311 you subtract with minus 55 means we will get 3256. Okay, so given series you should add means we will receive the answer is 3256. Okay, that's all. See next question. So given series you want to add, but it is given cube terms. So 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube up to etc plus 20 cube. Already we know that special series formula. So cube of n natural numbers. Yes. So cube of n natural, sum of cube of n natural number is, we know the formula n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. And is start with the natural number start with 1. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube want to start. So but here started 10 cube. Then means how many cubes is missing? Up to 9 cube is missing. So given series first you should change and write 10 cube plus 11 cube plus up to etc plus 20 cube. We can change and write. Okay. So 12 cube plus up to etc plus 20 cube. We can change and write first to start with 1 cube, 2 cube up to etc last number 20. So 20 cube. Then minus of how many cubes is missing? Up to 9 cube terms are missing. So you should subtract with the 9 cube. So now I added with this up to 9 cube to 20 cube. Okay. Then 1 to 20 cube you should add. Then you should subtract with the how many terms are missing. Means subtract means exactly you will get answer. 10 cube to 20 cube. You should add means what answer you will receive, at the same answer you will receive. Okay. Why I have changed like this means then only we can apply the formula. Now we know that what is the formula? Okay, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus up to etc plus n cube. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 divided by 2 to the whole square. Yes. So here you say here one n is 20 and one more n is 9. Yes. So now in this series you should substitute means formula apply. What you will get? 20 of 20 plus 1 divided by 2 to the whole square minus 9 of 9 plus 1 divided by 2 to the whole square. Now simplify this. First 20 into 21 divided by 2 to the whole square minus 9 into 10 divided by 2 to the whole square. After that, now you cancel 2 table, you can cancel numerator denominator cancel means here 10, here 2, here 5 you will get. Now 10 into 21 210, 210 to the whole square minus 9 5s are 45, 45 to the whole square. Now 210 square. Okay, what is the answer means? 44,100 minus 45 square. 45 into 45 you should multiply 2025. Now you should subtract. Therefore you should subtract this answer, this two answer we will get. So we will get what is the answer? 42,075 you will receive. Okay, 42,000. Therefore, given series, what is the answer? 42,075. So 10 cube plus 11 cube up to 20 cube you should add, means answer is 42,075. Okay, that's all. See, next second question. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc plus k is equal to 325, then find the value of 1 plus, okay, then find the value of, sorry, here find the value of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus up to k cube. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to etc k cube. What is the answer of is this? Okay, so sum of natural numbers. Okay, n natural numbers, instead of n it is given k. Okay, any variable also we can use. So instead of n they given k. So sum of n natural numbers add means answer is 325. Then sum of cube of n natural number add means what is the answer we want to find. This is the question. Okay, see solution. First, given series you should write 1 plus given 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc plus k is equal to 325. Okay, here use formula. Use formula. What is that? So 1 plus n plus, okay, n natural numbers. N means n into n plus 1 by 2. Here k means k into k plus 1 by 2. Okay, this is equal to 325. So here no need to find the value of k. Okay, this value keep it as a 1. So k into k plus 1 by 2 value will be 325. Then what we want to find? Find 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to etc plus k cube. Okay, this. So now 1 cube, we know the formula of this. Yes. So k cube. What is that? N cube means n into n plus 1 by 2. So here k means k into k plus 1 by 2 to the whole square. Okay. So whether you are this value finding k, after k you substitute and once again you use the formula and k value substitute, you will get the same answer. Okay, that is long process. So here as it is k into k plus 1 by 2 value keep as it is 325, because here this formula bracket inside what came? K into k plus 1 by 2 only it's came. So this value we know what is that? 325. So instead of this you substitute this whole square by 1. Okay, this value directly we can substitute. Now 325 into 325 you should multiply 2 times, means we will receive the answer is 1,05,625 you will receive. Okay, so that's up. Therefore, so n natural numbers, here k natural number value is 325, means cube of k natural number is 1,05,625 is the answer. Okay, that's all. See next question. If 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to k cube is equal to 44,100, then find the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc plus k. Okay, so see here cube of n natural numbers. Cube of n natural number, a cube of k natural number value it is given. We want to find sum of n natural numbers. Yes, after k. So before question reverse order it is given. Okay, so it is easy and the same procedure. Okay, see solution. First given you should write given 1 cube plus 2 cube plus up to 3 cube plus up to etc plus k cube is equal to 44,100. Okay, from that we know the formula. Okay, use formula. What is the formula is this? K into k plus 1 by 2 to the whole square. So this value is 44,100. Here k into k plus 1 by 2 alone keep this side. Is square, that side go, means square root of 44,100. Okay, so k into k plus 1 by 2 is equal to 44,100. Okay, 44,100 you are taking square root means we will receive the answer is 210. 210. So already have explained. So while taking square root we will get plus or minus symbol, but here negative should not consider. Why we cannot consider negative? Because it is the sum of the series, so negative value we will not receive. So that only plus 4 square root of 44,100, sorry, 44,100 value will be 210. Okay, so next step, see this, no need to simplify. Okay, no need to find k value at all. Okay, only this value k into k plus 1 by 2 alone you keep. Then what we want to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc plus k. So we know the formula of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc sum of n natural number. So what is that? N into n plus 1 by 2. Yes. So here instead of n, k is this. So k into k plus 1 by 2. So this value we know. What is that? This value is 210. So this value is 210. Therefore 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to k you should add means answer is 210 by 1 I used it here. Okay, directly we can apply that value. So instead of k into k plus 1 by 2 value will be 210. So answer is 210. Okay, that's all.